Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.
Channel is Journey with Gen Z. Here, we believe that learning never stops. Whether it's cooking, travel, educational, and generational bondings. Don't forget our latest playlist and our next episodes. Have you ever felt that cooking is more than just food? That every dish has a string blessing, a story, and sometimes a little miracle. This video is available in many languages. Tap CC's subtitles to watch in your language. Cooking with Angels Episode 1 with the theme Fiesta and Feasts in the Philippines. When cooking with angels, it is cooking with love and serving with joy. Every bite of the food is a blessing, and the flavors are magical. Long ago, my grandmother used to say, "When you cook with love angels, gather around your table." And so today, we cook a special dish inspired by her wisdom. Heavenly, simple ingredients filled with grace, with herbs also filled with blessings for those who would eat. When life gets heavy, cooking can heal. My grandmother also prayed while stirring. So today, as this dish cooks, we whisper a blessing for those watching. As we prepare the dish, each shot, each stir is a prayer. Imagine angels guiding our hands. Each sprinkle is a little magic into our dish. Add spices, herbs, sprinkle on it the aroma and flavors in it. Listen to the sizzle, that's the music of angels joining the table. In every Filipino dish, families go to the neighborhood, share meals, and laughter fill the streets. A Filipino fiesta tradition. Tell me in the comments below, what dish is special to you? And you feel that gusto manglalong sumarapido and that you are not cooking alone, or you want this to be extra delicious. Available dishes in the Philippines can be chicken, lechon, inihaw meat, pancit, seafood, and kung ano iangi mahando or kung ano iangi maroon.
Boston may pagsisalo saluin.
This is Fiesta in the Philippines.
Ko, another inihahan de niño.
Let's spread more angelic cooking around the world. And remember, when you cook with love, you are never alone, because angels are always on your table. This is episode 1. Soon in the making is episode 2. Italy breads and
Pizzas.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more recipes, travel, and angel inspiration here, watch playlist here. And this is it. Thanks for watching.